Okay, so let's now have a quick talk about accessing items in a dictionary. So we have already seen how we can do it with a method get, but just in practice. Now we will talk about this in a little bit more detail. Uh, so one way of accessing items in a dictionary is the get method, which is actually usually safer than what we will see right now. Uh, Another method is what we can see right now here. We simply do the same thing we have been doing with lists. So uh, with list we were using square brackets and we were using index to point Python to which element we want to get. With dictionaries we use keys. So this is why we create dictionaries, so that we can refer to a specific item by key. And why did I say that the get method is safer? Well, I meant that we usually, as programmers, don't want errors. So, for instance, if I want to have check the price of lemon ice cream, and there is no such ice cream in the dictionary, I will get an error. Key error lemon. So there is no such key in my dictionary. If I try to do the same with the method get, if I try to do the same with the method get, I will actually not get this error, and Python will just return nothing. There is a special value which stands for nothing in Python. It's called none. I don't want to get into details about this value. You will learn about this in more advanced courses. But basically what you have to what you can remember is that when you are using the get function, it will either give you none as a result, or the value you are looking for if the key is in the dictionary. So that's why it's safer than using this method, because you won't get an error if something goes wrong. Of course, if you are trying to debug programs, sometimes getting an error might be useful to find a place where something is going wrong, but in general, we as programmers rather want to avoid having errors. Okay, so this was a short explanation about accessing items in dictionaries. In the next video, we will talk about modifying values in dictionaries.